Righto, well, we just camped at Talbotville for the weekend. Been running Starlink flat out on the roof of the Hilux there, my portable one. It draws about 4 amps and my second battery, don't judge me wiring, alright, it's a bit of a bush job. But yeah, she's flat. So, got this PROJECTA 180 watt folding solar panel. Now as you can see, it has been around. This thing's been absolutely awesome. So I'm just gonna set that up. It's not very hot. It's maybe 20 degrees, but it's nice and sunny. So I'm gonna bang that up and connect it and then get the Starlink going again. Now the panels aren't real clean and some of them are a bit scratched up, like the tops there and stuff, because it lives in my trailer. Had it 4 years, used it heaps. It's a bloody good unit. It's really heavy duty. I like the way that it sits up with the poles. So it is flexible, you can lie it flat or you can use the poles in or whatever. But here we go, let's have a look. So we're pumping out 10.2 amps, which is bloody awesome. 10.2 amps, you know, perfect solar day. Right, turns out we're all having troubles with batteries. The Fossils man's got the generator on it, and under the bonnet he's got a dead flat battery as well. So we got his PROJECTA panel out. His is a bit fancier, a bit fresher than mine. But we've got it out and we're doing 9.5 amps. I mean, you can't really expect more than that. A lot of the panels they put on all this, I reckon it's 15 amps, but if you're getting 10 amps out of that 180 watt panel, you're doing well, and 10 amps is great. That's really good. So yeah, we're all charging up.